I forgot to tell you in the previous video that you can use this Facebook technique with other markets. Let me explain to you what I mean, okay? You can use this Facebook technique or targeting technique in the t-shirt business. You can sell t-shirts on Teespring, Amazon, and other platforms. And you can also use this technique with drop shipping business. You can sell all kinds of products, dog products, fishing products. There are many courses and videos about drop shipping and Shopify. But the secret to success is targeting. Facebook targeting is your key to success in any market. So, before we start our Facebook ad campaign, there is a very powerful tip that you can use to help you with your Clickbank affiliate business. It's social proof. Let me show you an example, okay? As you can see, we have two Facebook posts. One with a lot of engagement, likes, comments, and shares. And the other one, none. In your opinion, which post you will be more interested in seeing or looking at? Of course, the post with likes, shares, and comments, right? Social proof is very, very important, because when people are scrolling down their Facebook feed and they see a couple posts with 0 likes, but then they see something with lots of engagement, lots of shares, lots of likes, lots of comments, they are going to be more likely to engage with your ad or see what the ad is about. So, I just want to show you guys how to do this. I mean, there are two methods. The free method, which I used to do, and it takes time and effort. And the paid method, which I spend only $5 and get awesome results. So, let me show you guys the free method first, okay? For this, you need to create an account at likeforlike.org. And you should also create a second Facebook account to start earning points that you will be exchanging for Facebook likes, shares, and comments. Let me show you what I mean, okay? So, when you sign in, click on this social media exchange. And then choose one of these options here. As you can see, you will earn credit by liking other people's posts. And this is why I told you to create a second Facebook account. Now, when you like all these posts, you can check other categories too. And do the same thing until you earn enough credit. Then you can create your own Facebook post and give people credit to like, share, and comment on your post. This is how you do it. Click on Add and Manage Pages. And then select what you want. Facebook likes, shares, comments. So, let's say I want Facebook likes. Scroll down and paste your Facebook post URL here. Give it a description and then select how many credits you want to give for every like. Do the same thing with Facebook shares and comments. It will take you some time and effort, but it's free. So, this is how you can get social proof for free. I used to do this for a long time, but not anymore, because now I spend only $5 and get a lot of engagement for my post, and that helps a lot. So, let me show you how I do it, okay? let me walk you through the process of how to get super cheap social proof on your ad before you actually start targeting the right countries and interests. Okay? So, we are going to promote an article, right? So, use engagement. It's going to charge you by engagement. So, let's continue. I'm actually going to show you guys exactly what I do, okay? So what you are going to do for targeting is you are going to target like super cheap countries, okay? What works best for me is targeting big countries that really engage with ads, okay? First, India. They engage like crazy and it is super cheap. And then there are also countries like Pakistan and Sri Lanka. The reason it's so cheap is because these countries don't convert, but you will get lots of social proof. So, I found that these countries work best. So, let's just go and do that. As you can see, the reach is going to be really big. We need to narrow it a little bit, okay? You need to make sure you do English, okay? And then just keep the ages, really broad. Keep the gender broad. So, for the targeting, you actually want to target whatever you are offering. So, in our case, we are offering or promoting a weight loss article, right? You want to do something related to weight loss, something like fitness. And then narrow audience. This will narrow your audience. Now, for the placement, click on Edit Placement. For device types, select mobile and desktop. For the platforms, select only Facebook feeds, okay? Scroll down. And for the budget, I usually spend only $5 and I set it for 1 day. Click Continue. Select your page and post. Sometimes you won't be able to select your post. So, what you want to do is enter the post ID. And this is where to find your post ID, okay? Go to your page and click on the timestamp. It will open a new page. Now, what you are looking for is the last set of numbers. Go back to your ads manager and paste that post ID. And that's all. Click Confirm. And wait a few minutes for your ad to be accepted, okay? After a day or so, you will see instead of having nothing on your post, you're going to have likes, shares, and comments. It's really going to social proof your ad before you actually start putting it out to people. So, this is a really cool thing you can do before you actually start running your actual ad. That's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.